Look, I'm not going to waste your time. This is going to be straight up real talk. If you've been wondering why your jawline looks undefined or just not where you want it to be, well, it's not only genetics. Most of it is stuff you're doing wrong every single day without even knowing it. And the good news? It's fixable. Let's get into it. 1. Mewing. Mewing, in simple words, is just a correct tongue posture. Your tongue is supposed to rest flat against the roof of your mouth, the entire tongue, not just the tip. Most people let their tongue sit at the bottom of their mouth, doing absolutely nothing, and over time, that pulls your face structure downward and forward in all the wrong ways, like this. The man behind this is Dr. Mike Mew, and whether you love him or hate him, the concept makes sense anatomically. Your tongue is a muscle. Where it rests applies constant low-grade pressure to your palate and jaw. Do it wrong for years, and your face reflects that. So the fix is simple but actually hard to maintain. Just rest your tongue on the roof of your mouth and breathe through your nose. That's it. It sounds stupid easy, but you're going to forget to do it every 5 minutes in the beginning. Just keep coming back to it. Over months, this genuinely reshapes things. 2. Chewing. I don't mean just eating food, I mean actually training your masseter muscle, which is the big jaw muscle that gives you that sharp, square look on the sides of your face. Most of us eat soft, processed food all day. Bread, pasta, rice, fast food. Your jaw barely has to work. So your masseter just stays small and undefined. Compare that to people who grew up eating tough meats, raw vegetables, and chewy foods regularly. Their jaws look completely different. Also, stop chewing on one side only. Most people don't even realize they do this, but it creates muscle imbalance that makes your jaw look uneven and asymmetrical. So consciously switch sides every time you eat and chew evenly. The trending fix right now is mastic gum. It's hard Greek tree resin gum that's way tougher than regular gum and actually gives your jaw a real workout. People are seeing real results from it. If you don't want to spend money on that, just start chewing harder foods. Raw carrots, apples, tough cuts of meat. And remember what I said before, chew on both sides evenly, or else your face will end up like this. 3. Body fat. This one's going to sting a little, but it needs to be said. Your body fat percentage matters more than almost anything else for your jawline. You could do everything right, mew perfectly, chew mastic gum daily, and if you're carrying extra fat, you're not going to see the definition you want. And this is exactly why so many people work on mewing for months, but still don't get any results and end up saying,
"It's the biggest piece of dog shit."
Fat distributes to your face, your neck, under your chin, and it buries whatever structure you've got underneath. You don't need to get shredded, you just need to get lean enough for your face to show. For most people, that's somewhere around 10 to 15% body fat. Once you get there, your jawline shows up on its own. So if you're skipping the gym or eating in a caloric surplus constantly, fix that first, before obsessing over everything else on this list. 4. Mouth breathing. If you breathe through your mouth, especially at night, your jaw is suffering. Mouth breathing changes the resting position of your jaw, weakens the muscles around your chin, and over time, it genuinely affects your facial structure. Kids who grow up as mouth breathers develop longer, narrower faces. Adults don't change as dramatically, but the impact is still real. The fix is to switch to nasal breathing full time. During the day, just be conscious of it. At night, a lot of people swear by mouth tape, literally a small piece of tape across your lips while you sleep to force nasal breathing. Sounds weird, feels weird the first few nights, but you sleep better, you recover better, and your jaw stays where it's supposed to be. 5. Posture. Nobody talks about this enough. Forward head posture is silently destroying jawlines everywhere. When your head juts forward, which happens from looking at your phone all day, your neck muscles pull downward on your jaw and chin area. It softens everything. Stand side on in front of a mirror right now. If your ears are in front of your shoulders, your posture is costing you jaw definition. The fix is chin tucks. Pull your chin straight back like you're making a double chin on purpose. Hold it, release. Do that daily. Also, just be conscious of where your head sits when you're on your phone or at a desk. Bring the screen up to eye level. Small change, big impact over time. 6. Consistency. Here's the real talk part. All of these things work, but none of them work overnight, and none of them work if you do them for 2 weeks and quit. Mewing takes months to show results. Jaw muscles take time to grow. Losing face fat takes time. Fixing posture takes time. The people with great jawlines aren't doing some secret thing. Every transformation has a consistency story behind it. They're just consistently doing the basics. They're lean, they chew properly, they breathe through their nose. That's it, just consistency and discipline. Pick one thing from this list and start today. Not next week, not next month, not next year. And if this helped you, you already know what to do. Drop a like and subscribe for transformation tips. See you in the next one.